YouTube, Big Sis 1616 here, and today I will be doing another journey book episode or thing. So I already got most of them because my other video I did, my computer shut off entirely, so I couldn't record more, so I had to delete it. So here you will find sugarcane right here along the side. You click on right here. Then here's the cocoa tree, which is right here by the hut. So next you will find the seashells right between the two slides over here. And the flamingo right here, which is actually pretty obvious, but sometimes you don't really notice it or know it will be there. Oh, here we go. Here's the crab. I didn't get him, so he'll be going along here sometimes. Oh, he'll just go in the bay. I just saw that. But here's the tide pool right over here by this hut if you go all the way over there. This is the only clothing I have, and it's just a rare Monday. This is one of my, like, non-using, one of my, or one of those, accounts. Oh yeah, okay, oh, here we go. The basilisk lizard right here, he'll go on top of that rock. That's the best way you could get him, but he'll eventually run like this, and you'll try to catch him as fast as you can. And this guy, right there, click on him, cause he's one of them. He'll go through here, like he's walking back right now. But he also come there, sit down for a little bit, then go back, to Mount Chiver. Okay. Okay. So we have 3 more. Or, yeah, 3 more. So they'll be coming sometime. I'm going to pause the video until I find them. So here is the parrot. He just swooped down, or macaw. Macaw. He just like swooped down like wheel. Then he'll land there, and then he'll eventually fly away. Centipede should be around here, and it comes. And another lizard will be there. I forgot. So my other 2 accounts, I have the things for that. You'll see what the gift is later. When I in this account get it. Did I? Oh, whoops, wrong way. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. I was just making sure, like, on both of these accounts, I think I'm going to get the put the things in my den. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna pause it again. So we have the centipede. He just crawled this way, so he'll be around here. Good, a centipede. So he'll just be crawling on the stand here for a while, or a little bit. So you might want to catch him when he does it. Last one. Just gotta get there. He, oh, he'll be up on that roof. I'm going to just like sit on the rope right now, watch for him. I'll pause it and then come back when he's there. Okay, so he just came up. Green iguana. So he'll be on the. We have a lemonade stand. Yay! So he'll just go on the rooftop sometimes. Oh yeah, okay, so I put that there. Oh yeah, I have my table and my carpet. That's just there for fun. Actually, I really don't. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say like I really don't know what I have. Also in my other account, that one. So this account, I have the same exact thing except there's no carpet or anything. I have like in this other account, this one. Oh, I have same two things cause yay lemonade. Cause I did the other journey book stuff with it. Paradise Party isn't in a long time. 2 hours. Um, well, it'll be like 12 o'clock, something like that. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna get a pet right now. And I could get to much ever. Here. Get one of these guys. I'm gonna do like the blue. I really like this, like, thing. Ooh, that looks fun. No, that's cool actually. Mm. Ocean. Ocean wings. I think I named something ocean wings already. First pet. Wow, I have a bunch of gems. Uh, um, there you go. That's the first one for that one. Okay, I'm gonna put him in my den. I wonder if you like have a. Oh, okay. Just found that out. I want to see if you could. Okay, I'm just like, talking too much. I gotta dance on my table. So, comment, like, subscribe, and bye, YouTube.